What's up YouTube? Today I'm back with another video. What's up guys? How are you doing? Yeah, so today I'm gonna be assembling the automatic CVT STI swap. I've been waiting for a welder to come and get this thing on for the transmission cross member to mount on. So yeah, so while I'm waiting on that, there's a welder that came yesterday. He tried to weld it. It was a mess. He only messed it up. So while I'm waiting for someone with the expertise to get it welded and you know to get that transmission mount, I'm just gonna start putting the car back together and get some more space, getting the car to looking better and so forth, you know what I mean. And there you got Lemonade over there. It's doing good. Yeah, it's doing good. I drive it every day. So yeah, and yeah, guys, if you have not already subscribed, please subscribe. Like the video, share the video, comment, leave some comment. So yeah, let's get into it and get this car assembled. So you guys, as you can see, it's a bit messy. So I'm gonna just put it back together, save some space, make it look cleaner. All this was inside. You know what I mean? All this was inside. All of it was just inside was just a mess. I was just trying to take them out and get some space to start doing the assembly. So yeah, let's continue. I'm just gonna continue to take this stuff out of camera, and then I'm gonna start with I believe with the guard under here. I'm gonna assemble back the guard and get things up and running. Sir. Chiller dog. Yeah. guys, so as you can see, I'll show the covering. Alright, so you guys, rear subframe is completely set up. As you can see, I just gotta go and route these wires down. The wire for this thing here, the suspension, and then the DCC wire for the differential. So I'm going up now and get it done and route it down. So here's the DCC wire. So I'm gonna route it down here to here. Through here. Okay. Go. Everything is connected. I don't even know. Almost everything, but the subframe is definitely done. Alright. Subframe is complete. So yeah guys, a welder is finally here, so I gotta stop what I'm doing, you know, and stay up here to see if anything is gonna catch on fire and try to put it out before it gets bad or become a problem. So yeah, I'm really excited right now. I'm getting this part well that was holding up the project. So I mean, once this is well, we should be full speed ahead. Yeah. Yes, sir. So alright, stay tuned. I'm just watch what's going on. Get ready.